Gulu, my little one, are you having fun?
Train! Choo-choo!
Yes, a wonderful train. But look around, my sweet boy. What do you see? Toys? Yes, many toys. But they are all over the floor. Soon it will be time for dinner and then for bed. What do we do with our toys when playtime is over? When playtime is done, we tidy up our toys one by one. It makes our room neat and our heart tidy up, put your toys away. Tidy up, let's do it today.
Tidy!
Hooray, Gulu! You did it! One toy is in its home. Let's find homes for all the rest.
Hello, my lovely family. I'm home.
Wow, what a wonderfully tidy room. It looks so neat and...
Did a magic fairy visit?
Gulu, tidy.
Yes, Kiyomi. Our little Gulu did a fantastic job helping me tidy up all his toys. That's my super tidy boy. I am so proud of you, Gulu. Now we have a lovely clean space for each.
Tidy.
Hooray, Gulu!
Time to clean up toys today.
One toy is in its
Put them
home.
all in their
Let's find
place
homes
array.
for all the rest.
Blocks and cars and dolls, oh my. Let's make the room a butterfly sky.
Tidy up, let's do
Tidy
it
up,
today.
tidy up.